Welcome everyone. The first way to access Facebook on your iPhone is you're going to open up the App Store. And if you don't have the App Store, it looks like this on your home screen. And if you have the older software, it's going to have this icon instead. If you can't see the App Store on your home screen, slide down from the middle and then search up for App Store. Inside of the App Store, I want you to tap on the Today, and then you're going to tap on your profile at the top right hand side. And if you see your name and your Apple ID, we can proceed. If you don't, there should be a username or password field, and you will need to sign in with your Apple ID. And if you don't have an Apple ID, you will need to create a Apple ID account. If you don't see your profile on the top right hand side, you will need to scroll down to the bottom of the featured view, and then you should see your Apple ID right here. Once we have signed in with our Apple ID, we're going to tap on search, and we're just going to search for Facebook like this. You should see the Facebook app here, and you're going to tap on this one, and it should have a get button here instead of open, or it may show a cloud icon. Regardless, tap on the button you see, which is blue, and it may ask for your Face ID, it may ask for your Apple ID password. You will need to enter that information in, and once you've done that, Facebook should start downloading. And once it's finished, you should have the open option, but on the home screen, you should also see the Facebook app. If you don't see the Facebook app, slide down from the middle, then search for Facebook, and then you can just drag, we need to long press, and then drag the Facebook app to your home screen. So once Facebook is on your device, we can open it up. And for me, I've already signed in, but for you, it will ask you to sign in. It may ask for some permissions as well, and you'll need to grant them. So you have the home page here, and if you tap on the menu, you can access other parts of Facebook by just tapping on these options. If you tap on your profile pic, you can edit your personal information, and you have the notifications here if you want to check those out, and you have the watch, which is the video section. We have the gaming and all that other stuff. The next way to access Facebook, if you want to use this, is you need to open up the Safari browser, and you're just going to search for facebook.com in the search field. The search field may be on the top of your device instead of the bottom. Now, on this website, what you're going to do is we'll decline the cookies. And so if you want to use the web app, you can just sign in here. But if you want the full desktop version of Facebook, we're going to hide the keyboard by tapping on the done. And you're going to tap the AA here, and then you should see request desktop site. If you don't see the request desktop site here, then on another device, this is my old iPhone, you tap on the share icon and then slide across until you see the request desktop site. And now we are in the desktop version of Facebook. Everything will be smaller, so just keep that one in mind. Like, you'll have to zoom in to see everything, but that is the full desktop version if you need it as well. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.